Meet Radhamani Amma, a 73-year-old from the southern part of India, Kochi. She's the only elderly woman in India to hold the license for 11 different types of vehicles at the age of 73. Radhamani Amma is proving through her life that age is never a limitation for anything. This 73-year-old is authorized to drive 11 classes of vehicles. She earned licenses to drive lorries, buses, JCB cranes, trailers, forklifts, road rollers, two-wheelers, autos and finally a hazardous license to drive vehicles carrying petroleum products. Her life is a journey to realizing her sky-high dreams in the field of driving.
Namaskaram.
My name is Radhamani. I am one among you. I obtained my first license when I was 31 years old. After many years, I was able to acquire 11 licenses by the age of 73 and be proficient in it. With constant effort and determination, we can overcome any obstacles. Every woman should learn to chase her dreams and achieve them. And for that, let's all work together.